In this video, I'll show how you can easily share a LiveBinder. On LiveBinders.com, whether you are a creator or a visitor, if you find an online binder you'd like to share, here's a quick and easy way to grab a binder's link. From anywhere in the binder, click on Options. Then click on Share. In the pop-up box, you see two links. The first link, which includes the binder ID, will open to the first tab of the binder. The second URL links to an actual tab, subtab, or base tab you found within a binder you'd like to share. You also have options for email, embed codes, quick links to Facebook or Twitter or Google Classroom. And that's how you can easily share a LiveBinder, no matter if you are a LiveBinder creator or a welcome visitor to LiveBinders.com.